Title screen: How to send USDT from OKX wallet to Binance. Using 12-word phrase narrator, friendly tone. Imagine this: you have some USDT saved in your OKX wallet, but now you want to send it to your Binance account. The only thing you have? A 12-word secret phrase. So how do you do it? Is your money safe? Can you still get it back? On screen, subscriber comment highlighted. My OKX wallet holds some USDT and I have 12 words. How can I send them to Binance? Narrator: this 12-word phrase is called a seed phrase. It's like the master key to your crypto wallet. Even if you lose access to the OKX app, these 12 words can help you get your money back, but only if you use them the right way. Narrator: no, you can't use the 12-word phrase directly on Binance. Why? Because Binance is a centralized exchange. It only works with usernames, passwords, and OTP codes, not seed phrases. So we need a different way to get your USDT from OKX to Binance. Narrator: here's what you can do, step by step. Step 1. Download Trust Wallet or MetaMask from the Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Open the app, tap on Import Wallet. Enter your 12-word phrase carefully. Now, your OKX wallet will be loaded into Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Step 3. Open your Binance app, tap on Wallet, select USDT, tap Deposit, choose the right network, TRC20, ERC20, etc. Copy the deposit address. Step 4. Go back to Trust Wallet or MetaMask, tap Send, choose USDT, paste your Binance deposit address, confirm the network, tap Send. In a few minutes, your USDT will arrive in your Binance wallet. Narrator: serious tone. Please remember, never share your 12-word phrase with anyone. Only use trusted apps from the official App Store. If you enter your seed phrase into a fake app or scam website, you could lose all your money. Narrator: friendly tone. I hope this video helped you understand how to move your USDT safely from OKX to Binance. Got more crypto questions? Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay safe and smart in the crypto world.